and Ahmad Bradshaw. The Knicks will meet the Blazers tonight at the Garden. Stephon Marbury will not be present, asked to remain away from the team until a final conclusion has been figured out for his scouting. Richardson has been very outspoken against Marbury, wants to just put the whole mess in the past.
Let's move forward. Look forward to trying to get better as a team and keep trying to win games, regardless of what the outcome is. That's our goal, all the teams go in with, just to continue playing and trying to get better as a team.
That's the first chance the Knicks will get to face Portland's big man, Greg Oden. The Nets go for 4 consecutive wins when they meet the Wizards at the Meadowlands. Jersey coming off a 3-1 trip last week out west. College ball, Seton Hall and Monmouth play in North. Pretty good national matchup tonight as well between number 4 Duke, who visits number 9 Purdue. Monday night was the deadline for baseball teams to offer salary arbitration of players. Yankees did not for any of the 8 who are eligible. The Mets did for Oliver Perez, and thus will get a draft pick if he signs elsewhere. Sports at 15:45 around the clock and anytime on the web at 1010wins.com.